Hey guys, welcome back, and this is the most important topic of stock market. If you learn this topic, then the 50% of stock market learning is done. And the topic is shorting. What is shorting? And we are going to learn this shorting concept in this video. So from the previous video, we have learned about the transaction, how transaction works. One buy to one sale to one buy. That is a complete cycle of transaction. So if you bought something in 100 rupees and if you sell the same thing on 120 rupees, you are making profit of 20 rupees per entity. Even though if you bought something on 100 rupees and price goes down, the transaction gets completed even if you are selling at 90 rupees, but in loss case, you're losing your 10 rupees on each entity, but the transaction is getting complete. So to complete one transaction, we should have a sale of a buy and a buy of a sale, and that is we learned in last video. So there are two cases. One case where the price is going up. In that case, you buy something at lower price and sell them on the higher price, and the general market is working on the same concept. They are buying goods and services on the lower rates and selling them on the higher rate. So they are actually making margin, profit margin between this buying and selling. So the price should go up. So the first concept is when price is going up, you buy at low and sell at high. Now let's understand the magic of stock market, and that is called shorting. Stock market is the only place in this world where you can earn when the market is going down. You can earn when the market is going up, but you can also earn when the market is going down too. And how this is possible? We have understood the first concept where the market is going up, where you bought something on 100 rupees and selling on 120 rupees. So the first case is clear, but how come we earn when the market is going down? So the second case works in this way. You have to sell first at 100 rupees and you have to buy at 90 rupees. So if the market is going down, if the price of the share is currently trading at 100 rupees and you bet that the price of the stock could go down, then you sell first and buy second. In the first case, we have learned that buy first at low, sell second at high, so that you can generate the profit. But in shorting case, sell at high first and buy second at low. So this is how the shorting works. Selling first, buying second. In the first case, buying first, selling second. Now there might be a question in your mind that if you don't have anything already in your hand first, how you could sell them? It means to sell something you should have already in your hand. That's right question. For example, if you are selling your bike in a market, you should have that bike first. But how this works in stock market? How you could sell anything first and then buy second? So now let us understand this shorting concept with an example. Example of mobile phone trading. For example, the price of mobile is 20,000 currently trading in the market. So the price of mobile is 20,000 in the market. If you buy this mobile right now in the market, you will get on 20,000 rupees of price. And the second condition is the price of this mobile gets fluctuated throughout the day. It means in evening the price could be 20,400 or 800, or even the lesser than the current market price, that is 20,000. So it could be on 19,200, 400, 600, anything. So we are actually betting on the price of this mobile phone. Now there are two parties who are betting on the price of this mobile phone. The first party is you, who thinks that the price of this mobile phone would go in evening, and the second party is me, who thinks the price of this mobile phone would go down. Now the third condition is that to get into betting, you and me, both of us should have 20,000 in our account. It means you should have 20,000 and I should have 20,000 in my pocket. So the first condition is we are betting on the mobile's price fluctuation. The second thing is you are saying that the price is going up and I'm saying that the price is going down. The third case is both of us should have 20,000 in our account, respective accounts, to trade on this or to bet on this mobile's price fluctuation. So you say the price is going up, so definitely you are going to buy this on the lower price. So if you buy this on 20,000 rupees, you are definitely planning to sell on 20,000 plus amount, 20,200, 20,400, any price. And what I'm betting for, I'm saying that the price of this mobile phone would go down. It means I can get the same mobile phone in 19,000 plus amount. This could be 19,200, 800, any amount. So I bet that the price of the mobile phone is going down, so I sell first. You and me not actually buying this mobile phone, we are just betting on this. So you think the price is going up, you buy at first and wait. If the price goes up, then you are going to make profit. On the second case, I think the price is going down, so I bet on the selling price. So I sell to you first. I don't have this mobile, but still I am selling to you and you become the buyer. So your one transaction is buying is done, my one transaction selling is done. Now remaining transaction for you, you have to sell, and if I have already sold it, I have to buy it back. So one transaction for you is done, buying, and one transaction for me, selling, is done. Now the fourth case of this betting concept is actual realization of profit and loss in the evening. So we'll consider both the cases if the price is going up, and the second case when the price is going down. Let's consider the first case when the price is going up. It means you are in the winning case because you expected the price of the mobile phone would go up in evening, and it actually goes. For example, it goes to 20,200 rupees. So you bought something on 20,000 rupees and the selling price is 20,200 rupees. So how much you are making profit? You are making profit of 200 rupees on one mobile phone betting. And how much I am losing? Because I was expecting the price to go down, but it actually went up. So this 200 would be given by me to you, and you are winner. Did you actually bought this phone, or me actually bought this phone? No, we were just on the betting of this mobile phone's price. If it goes up, you are going to make profit, and if it goes down, I'm going to make profit. Now let's consider the second case where the price of this mobile phone is going down. It means the price of the mobile phone in the evening is 19,800. It becomes 19,800 rupees. So you bought it on 20,000 and you're going to sell the same mobile phone on 19,800 rupees. You are making a loss of 200 rupees. Then this loss, your loss, would be profit of some other person, and that's me. So I sold one mobile phone in 20,000 and buying the same mobile phone on 19,800. I am making a profit of 200 rupees, and this 200 rupees would be transformed from your account to my account. And this is how the shorting works. You bet on the stock's price. There are lots of buyers and sellers in the stock market. So stock exchange is the centralized place, and these are the buyers and sellers. So one person thinks that the price of the stock would going to go up, and one is saying that the price of the stock is going to go down. I'm talking about now the intraday trading. So this transaction is for only one day, one trading session from 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So between this, we have to buy and sell. We have to complete our transaction. If you are a buyer, you have to sell. Whether the price is going up or down, you have to clear your transaction before closing the market. So the timing would be somewhere around 3:15 p.m. All the transaction would be completed by the broker, your broker, whoever you are using his services for. So ABC is a company. In stock exchange, the ABC's shares price is 2000 trading for. So you think that the price of the stock is going to go up and you become the buyer. And I think the price of the stock is going to go down, then I become a seller. So stock exchange got one buyer and one seller. If the price goes up, you make the profit. If price goes down, I make the profit because I sell on higher price and buy the same thing on the lower price. If you bought something on the lower price and price goes up, you make the profit. So this is how the shorting works. So the first condition is when the market is going up, you buy at low first and sell at high second. And the second condition is when the market is going down, you sell first at higher rate and buy the same thing on the lower rate second. So this is shorting I explained to you, and this is very much important concept in stock market. 50% of the stock market game is done if you understand this concept. So watch this video again and again, and I have taken some more time to create this video. So watch this again and try to clear your fundamentals or clear your idea on shorting concept. Thank you very much.